Have you ever thought about how important your voice is in shaping your community and your country? It is one of the most fundamental ways we participate in our democracy. The good news is that for many people with felony convictions, restoring their voting rights is absolutely possible. However, the path to do so is not uniform. It largely depends on the specific laws in the state where you live. The reason for this variation is rooted in the history of state control over election laws. Unlike federal elections, voting rights after a felony are determined at the state level. Some states automatically restore voting rights upon releases from incarceration, while others requiring completion of parole or probation, and some even requiring an application or a specific period of time to pass. A few states might have stricter rules, sometimes even distinguishing between types of felony convictions, like those for murder or treason and other offenses. So, how do you navigate this landscape? Your first crucial step is to identify the exact state where you resided and intend to vote. Next, research your state's specific voting rights laws for individuals with felony convictions. Excellent resources include your state's Secretary of State website, the State Election Board, or even the State Department of Corrections. These official sources will provide the most accurate and up-to-date information. Once you understand the requirements, you will likely need to confirm that you have completed all aspects of your sentence, including any parole or probation periods, and paid any outstanding fines or restitution. Gathering relevant documents, such as your discharge papers or a certificate of completion for your sentence, can be very helpful. If your state requires an application for restoration, be prepared to complete the necessary forms accurately and submit them to the designated office, which could be a parole board, a clemency board, or the election commission. After your rights are restored, remember to re-register to vote, as you may have been removed from the voter rolls. Many states also offer what is called a restoration of civil rights certificate, or a pardon process, which can be an additional path to regaining your voting rights and other civic privileges. It is always wise to double-check with your local county election official or a non-profit organization specializing in reentry services. These groups often have detailed knowledge and can offer personalized guidance through the process. Taking these steps to restore your voting rights is more than just a bureaucratic process. It is about reclaiming your full participation in society. By understanding your state's specific requirements and actively pursuing the restoration of your rights, you empower yourself and contribute to the collective voice that shapes our future. It is a powerful way to re-engage and make a meaningful difference in your community.